The science city of Ulm has been home to the Hermann Bantleon GmbH for over 100 years. A globally successful specialist for high-performance lubricants and service. We produce at the highest level, with a clear focus on quality, occupational safety, and sustainability. With 100% traceability through automated and process-reliable standards. We ensure flexibility and worldwide availability of all products through efficient filling, scheduling, and picking systems. With our own fleet of vehicles, we're always at your side. Fast, reliable, and friendly. Team spirit and partnership characterize our company culture. In a motivated and dynamic way, we face the challenges of the present and the future. The creation of our own bee colonies stands for sustainable thinking and acting as an investment in our future. In this way, we take responsibility for the environment and society, as well as for our products and services. We offer versatile competencies, even in particularly sensitive fields of application, such as medical technology or aviation. In our own laboratory, we implement customized solutions. We act for you in a beneficial and value-adding way with convincing product quality, even in complex machining processes. Directly at our customer's side, we perform central maintenance and service works of lubricants, as well as digital data entry. By providing the media exactly where needed, we help you to optimize your procedures and processes. Our high-performance lubricants for high-tech motors, gears, and hydraulics ensure operational reliability and safety. Together with our customers, we develop concepts for clean and corrosion-free surfaces. In doing so, we pool the expert knowledge of leading plant manufacturers. Our solutions cover all processes, from cleaning, conservation, and packaging to storage and shipment. With our partner network, we ensure the fast availability of all products and services in Germany, Europe, and all over the world. The Bantleon Forum for Knowledge and Dialogue. With seminars and training courses, we qualify employees and business partners for today's and tomorrow's requirements. For a common future, where talents are promoted, knowledge is passed on, and success is shared. Welcome to our world.